Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my April 2022 Medusa's Makeup subscription opening, unboxing, unbagging, whatever. So let's go ahead and get started. Per usual, they send us extra paper flyers for things. This is like an ad for their witchy liner and saying leave a review for your products. And then we have our card. This card is really cute. It says Muse on it, perhaps that's the theme. And it looks like we have 5 products this month. It says 5 premium beauty products valued at $74. So let's go ahead and get to looking at what came in this bag. They did send it in the heart bubble bag again. I would be absolutely happy to not receive another one of these heart bubble bags. They just sit around until I have something to give away to a friend, and then I shove crap in one of them. But these feel wasteful to me. I don't need a million of these bags, so not so happy about getting another bag. I'm not going to count that against the subscription, but it is something I wish they wouldn't do. But let's dig in, shall we? First item here is from 10 Free Chemistry. It's a clean nail color, and this is in the color, doesn't say on the box. So let's open it up. Okay, this is in the color Sand Dollar. This looks like a really pretty light grayish. It's like a hint, just the tiniest drop of like a pink or lavender in there. The color itself is really, really pretty. So let's read about it. Looks like everyone is getting the color Sand Dollar. This is an $18 value, which is pretty much the cost of the subscription almost. So that is very exciting. I think we've gotten one other color from them. I don't know if it was in the subscription or another one, but I do have another color from this brand, and it was very pretty. So I'm excited to give this one a try. The next item we have is an eyeshadow. This is the Glam Rock eyeshadow in the color, let's open it up and see. Oh, here it is, in the color Rhapsody. So here's the packaging. The Glam Rock eyeshadows have like a cool rock and roll packaging. So here is what it looks like. And then let's open it up and take a look at the color. Kind of looks like a pink or a red color looking in the packaging. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. It's really interesting looking. Yeah, oh, that's really cool. This reminds me a lot of, I don't remember the name of the collection, but it was probably the very early 2000s. MAC released a collection of baked eyeshadows that were like a black base and had different color metallics in them. I think there was like a purple, maybe a blue, there were other colors, I don't remember them. That's what this kind of reminds me of. It's like a blackened red. It feels very Black Parade, My Chemical Romance. The vibes are there. I really, really like that. It reminds me of my days as a little emo kid, wearing my Converse, going to all the concerts at bars I shouldn't have been in, having the big black X's on my hands. This color is giving me vibes. So this is a $12 value, and everyone is getting the color Rhapsody. Love that. Oh, I can't tell you how it's going to look on me. It's probably going to look crazy on me, but I love looking at it. It's really cool. Okay, next item. Let's see what we have here. This is an item from Peony, and this is their Butterfly Butter Lip Scrub. So let's, well, actually, let me show you the package first, because it's just really pretty. Purple floral box. But let's open it up and take a look at the scrub itself. So it's a very tiny sample. This is really little, and oh, it's covered in plastic, so I can't open it to look at it, but I'm assuming it's just going to be a lip scrub. We all know what a lip scrub looks like, so that's interesting. I kind of like how tiny it, usually I hate when we get tiny stuff, but for some reason I find this little tube very cute. So let me read you about this. The Peony Lip Scrub. It says this is a $16 value. I hope it means the full size of this product is a $16 value, because if this tiny little thing is $16, like, you better go to your pantry and just pull out some sugar and oil. Like, this better not be $16. Like, yeah. But I'm excited to try it. We'll see how that goes. The next item is a Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss from Medusa's Makeup. Pretty purple packaging. And, oh, there's a sticker on this one. There we go. Let's take a look at this color. It's in the color Bad Girls. Oh, I just saw the Donna Summers musical a month or so ago. So Bad Girls is like my new jam. But this looks like a really pretty purple, like lavender, periwinkle, gold, triochrome type thing. Yeah, this is really pretty. It does lean a little purple, so I am nervous that I might not look the best in this. It might make me look a little bit yellow, a little... Did y'all just witness that with me? So the stopper just got stuck up in the end and it just pulled out everything. That was interesting. Okay. Well, let me finish swatching and then shove this whole thing back in there so I don't make a whole freaking mess. I have to like put it in very carefully. What? I've never had a lip product do that before. I can't get it back in. Oh my god. Maybe if I like put the top one really tight, this little stopper will stay in there. Yeah, it did. The stopper stayed in there that time. So that was bizarre, but I'm glad I got it back in there. Anyway, I was saying, it does lean pretty purple, so I have a feeling that might make me look super yellow or kind of sallow, but we'll see. I'm gonna definitely try it out for you guys. That is such a pretty color and a pretty duochrome there. Really pretty. I will say though, these don't seem to go together. There's not a lot of cohesion in this bag. I can't see you using these two products to create a look. So that's kind of weird. There's not like a lot of forethought in that, but they are pretty individually. They're just very different moods. This is like giving me Forest Pixie and this is giving me Punk Rock Princess. So yeah, different vibes there, but both pretty. And then I think we have one more product, and this is the Medusa's Makeup Lovely Human Body Spray with essential oils. Cruelty-free and vegan. So let's see. It just says fragrance. It doesn't give any indication as to what Lovely Human is supposed to be scented like. Does everyone get Lovely Human? Oh, that reminds me. The Disco Queen lip gloss is $14. Looks like everyone got Bad Girl. And then it looks like everyone's getting Lovely Human in the body spray, and that is also $14. So you know what? I'm just gonna spray it. So Lovely Human is giving me like lightly powdered but not old lady. Kind of like fresh laundry sort of scent. I don't know. It's very light and it just smells clean and fresh and like a little undertone of powdery, but like not so much that you'll smell like your grandma. I like it. I like that a lot. I will definitely be using this. Finally, a box where I'm not complaining about any of the products having ingredients where I'm not going to put it on my face. Crazy. I'm excited about the spray. It smells nice. I'm excited to try this even though it might not work for me just because it's beautiful. Another one, I'm not so sure it's going to work for me, but think it is badass looking and it's really cool. It's very nostalgic vibes for me. This I love. As long as the formula wears and goes on nicely, I'm definitely keeping this because it is a gorgeous color. This is right up my alley. And then the lip scrub, which is not that exciting in a box full of more exciting things, but is a practical item that I will definitely use. So I'm gonna give this box an A+. I loved it. I'm not mad about it. Like I said, I wish they'd stop sending so much paper, and I wish they'd stop sending these baggies because I don't need 10 million of these. Otherwise, very happy with this box. Could not be more pleased. And I'm really, I don't know, I'm just happy with it. Let me know if you got this subscription down below, and are you happy with it? Love to know. I do have a question I want to ask you guys that has nothing to do with the subscription or makeup. If any of you have gotten Botox in your jaw muscles to like reduce tension and grinding and stuff, let me know how that experience went. My dentist kind of recommended it earlier, and I'm still on the fence about it. It's like expensive, obviously, but I'm not so worried about that so much as, is it going to actually solve the problem? Because I think I'm on like the beginning stages of being too tense. So if any of you have done that, let me know. I'd love to hear your experience, or hit me up on my Instagram in the DMs if that's easier. But otherwise, thank you all for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, hit the subscribe button, and otherwise I'll talk to you all later. Bye.